Hello, hello, Marilyn here, your optimism guru, ready to spread a little daily cheer on your world. So, today I want to try something different, a revamped daily cheer. So let's see how this goes. What I'd like to do is each day, rather than focusing on one 2-minute blurb, I want to focus on a couple of cool things going on in the world, articles I've read, neat quotes that I've found, something inspirational, a great book, a really cool product, just you name it, free game here. And it's kind of going to be my top 3, top 4, top 5, maybe top 2, depending on the mood of the day. So today I want to kick off with a really cool article that I read on a flight home from Madison, Wisconsin to Dallas, Texas, and it was, I believe, in Fortune magazine, and it stated that men who stay fit and exercise regularly earn 6% more greater income than men who do not, and women earn 10% more than those women who do not. Now this was taken back to just greater productivity, greater clarity of mind, just higher performance from higher performance people. So I want to use that as a little bit of kickoff encouragement that you get out, you get to the gym, you get outside and play, you stay fit and stay healthy and just continue to feed your body good stuff. Which leads us into the second segment of our daily cheer for the day. This awesome book, Medical Medium's Life-Changing Foods, and the medical medium is Anthony William. I always want to say William Anthony. That's a whole two first names thing. Anyway, this book is amazing. I have been working my way through it and I've always been incredibly health conscious to begin with, but with the help of this book, I feel like one simple food change at a time, I am getting healthier and healthier by the day. So this is broken up into natural foods that are already, in your pantry, in the grocery store, easy to get to, fruits and vegetables primarily, but he does touch on other items. And what he does is for each food, he'll give you a basic synopsis. He will give you some conditions and symptoms and things to watch out for to where that food will help. The properties, the biology of that food will help you in your healing process. And things like little tips for each food, if you're, one thing that I started doing, the very first thing that I started doing from this book is it says, Anthony William is telling us to eat 3 apples a day. And once I read that, because apple was the very first food I came to, once I read that, I started doing it, and between the fiber in the food, the crispness of apples, the just refreshing quality of it, the hydration involved, you name it, I have felt better just from incorporating just that one first step in incorporating 3 apples a day into my daily routine. And I was already eating apples, but just making sure that I get 3 apples a day. It sounds like a lot, it's really not hard. It's a great filler food that makes you feel satisfied and makes you feel cellularly better as well. And so that is just the first change that I made. I have enjoyed several of the recipes that are involved in this book that are presented here. And then in the back, honey coconut ice cream. What a good thing to flip to. In the back here, there are also some other sections, like this one in particular, foods that make life challenging. So things like dairy and eggs and corn, just on this page alone, wheat, that's a biggie these days. canola oil. These are just great tips, and that for each of those items he lists symptoms and conditions that can be directly linked to that food that is in so many things, and just kind of a lot of basis for why to avoid certain things, and a lot of basis for when to add certain things when you're dealing with specific problems and issues as they arise. So, Anthony William, Medical Medium, Life-Changing Foods. I know he has a couple of other books out as well, so I'm looking forward to picking those up. But check this out. Next on my list, I wanted to encourage you, no matter where you are financially, to make an extra $1,000 this week. How, you say? Let me tell you. So, I want to encourage you to go through your house and have an online garage sale. If you don't want to host a garage sale or a yard sale, which I don't blame you, they're a big pain in the rear end, but go through, photograph everything you could possibly want to get rid of, from the smallest to the largest. I have a Christmas tree in my living room right now because I'm tired of putting it away. I'm tired of getting it out every year, and I feel like it's looking shabbier each year, and I'm just, quite honestly, I'm just tired of it. I'm tired of the Christmas tree. So I'm about to list it. And I'm going to list all kinds of things, from clothes the children have outgrown, to shoes that I didn't love as much as I thought I would, to phones that, we all cycle through our cell phones so quickly. Just sell them. Get rid of them. You can easily make an extra $1,000 in a week just by selling household items that you do not use. It declutters your home. It makes you feel better and more recharged because there's less stuff everywhere. Artwork, knickknacks, furniture, you name it. Another great way to add to while you're just going through and selling stuff, go on Craigslist. Go in that free section, the section where people list things that they just want to get rid of. All you have to do is come and pick it up, and it's yours. And what can you do with that item but flip it right then and there on the spot, take a picture of it, list it along with all your other household stuff, and you can easily have an extra $1,000 this week. So that's what I want to encourage you to do right now, as soon as you stop watching this video. Now, last but not least, these baller headphones. These are my favorite new little toy in the gym, and they are Bluetooth headphones, so stinking handy. I'm going to put the link to where you can find them down below. They are Dylan, and you can fold them. They are Bluetooth. I thought that this wraparound piece was going to be a huge pain in my rear end, that it was going to cause me problems when I was trying to, squat with the squat bar, or just exercise in general, do things lying down, sit-ups and things like that. It has not been a problem at all. The retractable earpieces are super comfortable and easy to deal with. They don't hang on anything. I've tried so many Bluetooth headphone apparatus, and for the most part, they were just bulky and miserable in my ears, and I could not stand them because I'm a petite woman. I have petite ears to go with it, and everything that I have found was just too large, and so I was still sticking with the old classic wired-in earbuds, which had wonderful sound. I love the Skull Candy, just classic earbuds. But I was always hanging up on them. So I'd be jogging, and I'd pull them out of my ears 5 times. Or I'd be working out, and I'd have to tuck them and work around things all the time. With these, I can literally put my phone in the cubby across the gym and listen to my music, and if someone calls, it rings right there. They have the mic. I'm good to go. All I have to do is flip these on. I can answer the phone. I can skip songs. You name it. It's all right here, and it's so great. I will wear these at my desk all the time. I can answer the phone in a flash when my phone rings and still be completely hands-free, which I love because much of the time whenever I'm on the phone, particularly during the workday, I am typing, I'm looking something up, I'm referencing something, I'm spinning around in my chair back and forth looking all over my desk for something that I'm looking for at the time. These are such a great handy tool. So the link to these particular fabulous earphones I am putting in the description box below. They are not expensive. They are rechargeable. They don't even take batteries. I just plug them into my computer. They've lasted, I usually have them last about a week before I have to recharge them. So they have really good longevity, and I swear by them. I just swear by them. So many good things here. We're talking about making more money at work by being fit and more on your game mentally. We're talking about making more of your life and your health from this book standpoint, and these life-changing foods that you can make sure and incorporate more of into your diet. We're talking about making an extra $1,000 this week, because who doesn't want that? And we're talking about some really awesome headphones that are Bluetooth and easy peasy and fabulous. I hope that you enjoy this new format of my daily cheer. Your optimism guru is ready to just fill you full of good stuff, the good news, the good motivation, the good products, you name it, that's what I'm here for. So thank you so much for sticking in with me today, and until I see you again, I hope that you are making it a great day.